यार, वो रेड वाला सब्सक्राइब बटन दबा दो ना प्लीज।
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Meghna. So the previous video that I had put up, which is the hacks testing out video, you guys loved it and thank you very much for that. So a lot of you all commented, as well as my friends also said ki why don't you make videos which are useful for everybody and not just for girls. So here I am with the most useful video ever, which is the hostel hack. So this video would be important and very informational for all those who are living in a hostel. In hostel we don't get all those facilities that we have in our home. So yeah, this is a video where I will be showing you what all things can you do with your day-to-day living in a hostel with the limited amenities that you have. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope all these hacks help you a lot. Please try these hacks at your hostel room and let me know if these were relevant to you or these worked or not. And yeah, comment down below if which of these hacks were your favorite. And till then, I'll finish my box of donuts all heated up and chocolatey. And you guys please like, share and subscribe to my channel and let me know what all videos do you want for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.